Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tintin, and if this is your first time here, I share helpful tips and real experiences for those who want to work on board cruise ship. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, how to pass your cruise ship interview. This is one of the most common questions I get from aspiring seafarers and hospitality crew. The cruise ship interview can be intense, especially if it's your first time. But don't worry, in this video, I'll break it down step by step. I'll share what to expect, how to prepare common questions, and even sample answer you can practice with. So if you're ready to level up and get hired, keep watching. How to prepare before the interview. Let's begin by talking about what you should do even before the actual interview happens. Proper preparation is the key to a successful cruise ship interview. First, make sure to research the cruise line you're applying to. Learn the basic information about the company, such as how many ships they have, what types of guests they usually cater to, and what company values or brand image they promote. Knowing this information will help you align your answers with their expectation and show that you're genuinely interested in being part of their team. Second, review the job description carefully. Whether you're applying as a waiter, housekeeping attendant, bar staff, or any other position, you need to be familiar with the duties and responsibilities involved. That way, if the interviewer asks you, "What do you know about this role?" you'll be able to give a clear and a confident answer. Third, prepare all your documents in advance. This includes your updated resume, your training certificates, and if applicable, your Siemens book. Even if your interview is done online, recruiters may ask you to show your documents on camera or email them for verification. So have everything ready and organized. Lastly, practice speaking in English. Cruise ship interviews are often conducted entirely in English. So while you don't need to be perfect, you should be able to speak clearly and confidently. Practice answering questions in English in front of a mirror or with a friend. Focus on your tone, pronunciation, and clarity. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel during the actual interview. What to expect during the interview. Now let's talk about what you can expect during the cruise ship interview itself. Most cruise ship interviews are behavioral interviews, which means the company isn't just looking at your experience or technical skills. They also want to know how you behave in a real-life situation. They want to see how you respond to pressure, how well you work with others, whether you're emotionally stable, and if you can handle the challenges of living on board ship for several months. These interviews are usually conducted in a one-on-one format, either online or face-to-face, depending on your location and the hiring process of the agency or cruise line. Sometimes interviews are done in 2 or 3 stages, starting with an initial screening by the agency, followed by a final interview with the actual cruise line representative. Each stage is important and you should treat every interview as a chance to show your best self. Common interview questions and sample answer. Now let's go through some of the most common interview questions that cruise ship employers ask, and I'll guide you with the practical sample answer to help you prepare. These questions are designed to test not only your experience, but also your attitude, work ethic, and communication skills. Make sure to understand the purpose behind each question and give answers that are honest, clear, and connected to the cruise industry. Let's dive deeper in the most common cruise ship interview question and how you can answer them confidently. The first question is, tell me about yourself. A great way to answer this is by saying something like, "My name is Tintin. I'm 26 years old and I have over 3 years of experience in hospitality industry. I started as a food server in a local hotel. where I learned the importance of customer service, teamwork, and professionalism. I enjoy working with people, learning new skills, and taking on challenges. Now I'm ready to take my career to the next level by joining a cruise ship and being part of your global team. This answer is short, confident, and highlights the most relevant experience and traits that cruise companies are looking for. The second question is, why do you want to work on a cruise ship? You can say, I want to work on a cruise ship because I love the hospitality industry and I want to grow professionally while seeing the world. I believe cruise ships offer a unique environment where I can serve guests from different cultures, work with a diverse team, and continue improving my skills. I also appreciate that cruise ship jobs help you build a strong work ethic and discipline, qualities that I value. Always connect your answer to service, growth, and adaptability. Another common question is, what will you do if a guest is rude or complains? Here one way to answer it. If a guest is rude or upset, I will remain calm and professional at all times. I will listen carefully to their concern, acknowledge their feelings, and do my best to find a solution that will make them feel satisfied. If the issue is beyond my control, I will politely escalate the matter to my supervisor. I understand that as a crew members, it's our job to ensure guest satisfaction even during difficult situations. This shows emotional control, empathy, and teamwork, all very important traits on board. Next question, can you work under pressure or for long hours? You can respond with, yes, I'm fully aware that cruise ship jobs require long working hours, high standards, and the ability to multitask. I'm mentally and physically prepared to handle pressure. In my previous job, I worked double shifts during peak season, and I always remain focused and energetic. I believe pressure brings out the best in me. Recruiters want to see that you understand the demand of the job and that you're ready for them. And here's a final sample. How will your previous supervisor describe you? You can say, my previous supervisor will describe me as dependable, respectful, and always willing to help others. I always make sure my tasks were completed properly and on time. And I often volunteered to assist my coworkers when needed. I value teamwork and responsibility. Always describe yourself using real qualities backed by your past work habits. Now that you know the questions, let me give you some expert tips that will help you stand out from the applicants, whether it's your first interview or your fifth. First, make sure you smile and be friendly during the interview. Cruise ships are all about hospitality. A friendly attitude goes a long way. Second, dress professionally, even for online interviews. Wear formal attire. First impression still matter even over video call. Third, look directly at the camera, not just the screen. This gives the impression of good eye contact, which builds trust and confidence. Fourth, keep your answer clear and concise. Don't make them too short, but avoid over-explaining. Aim for confidence, not memorization. Fifth, be honest. Don't pretend you have experience you don't actually have. Instead, focus on your willingness to learn and improve. And lastly, if they ask, do you have any question for us? Always say yes. A good question to ask is, what are the most important qualities you look for in the crew members? This shows that you are interested, engaged, and eager to be part of their team. To end this video, I want to give you some real advice that I wish I had heard when I was just starting out. Don't rush the process. Getting hired on a cruise ship doesn't always happen right away. Some applicants wait months. Others get rejected once or twice, but that's okay. Every interview is practice, and every setback is part of your story. What matters most is your attitude and persistence. Stay motivated. Keep improving your resume, your communication skills, and your confidence. Watch videos like this. Learn from others and believe that your time will come. Because what you finally step on that ship, all your hard work will be worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you prepare better for your cruise ship interview. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and never miss an update. If you want me to create a mock interview video, or if you have any more questions, just comment below. I reply to everyone as much as I can. Good luck on your cruise ship journey, and I'll see you in the next video.